Hello there, Sherry Snyder with Hill Country Tiny Houses. I just got this big wellness box delivered to my tiny house, and I thought, how fun would it be to open it with you? So let's see what's inside this box. We'll start with laundry detergent called Mellow Power. It washes 96 loads because it's 9 times concentrated, which is perfect for tiny house living. And then I love this tropical fragrance booster and this Mellow Bright. My son and husband do construction work, and this gets their dirty, stinky laundry clean. So great. Lemon Bright hand wash dish detergent. They have tropical lemon, and I also have apple. So that's fun. Diamond Bright dishwashing pods. And love this Solumel 3-in-1 cleaner. It deodorizes, gets rid of stains, kills germs. It's great for garbage pails or diaper pails. And the Clear Defense, highly coveted, limited to 1 per customer per month. And so this is the hand sanitizer that is 97% plant-based ingredients. And of course, the purse size one. And then the highly coveted Soluguard, EPA approved botanical, the only EPA approved botanical disinfectant on the market. It kills 99.9% of the germs, including the dreaded COVID virus. And then a lot of foam hand washing soap. This is pomegranate sage, and the foaming is actually better than a regular hand soap for killing the germs. And it has that Soluguard in the hand soap. These are so fun plug-ins. I keep one right by my bed and one in my office and smell good every day. This is a coastal wildflower and island sunset. Love it. And my candle back there is from Meluca, burning yummy yummy. And the gold bar, it is precious like gold, and it cleans your body so nice. And peppermints and Sustain Sport. So in Texas we get lots of heat, and you don't want to have heat stroke or dehydration. This has 4 electrolytes, very little sugar, and really low calorie, maybe no sugar. Fiber wise, if I were stranded on an island and they told me I could only have one of my Meluca products, first of all, I would sit down and cry my eyes out, and then I would be forced to choose Fiberwise. So it's like a toothbrush for your colon, and I had an autoimmune disease called Epstein-Barr virus, and 17 years ago started on these products, particularly the Fiberwise, and have been free from that autoimmune disease for 16 years now. So I never go without that. Love, love, love it. So grateful for it. Every time I do a workout, this is an activity bar. I take it 15 minutes before I work out. This is chocolate mint access bar, and it burns stored body fat, helps prevent weight regain, and gives me energy for my workout. Love, love, love it. Feel like I get double the benefits when I take that. Thyme essential oil. This will kill germs very effectively. You could make your own hand sanitizer with it. You could make your own cleaner, disinfectant at home. Of course, Armor, which is like Thieves. Fabulous. Can't even say enough about it, but I put it in my diffuser all day, every day right now. Oregano is also so good if you get sick, to help your body heal. Meluca oil. If you don't know what oil to use, reach for the Meluca oil. It's an all-purpose, multi-purpose, many things that will do topically. And peppermint, of course, we love that. And I love the fact that I pay half the price of what my friends pay from the other big oil companies. And then I've got this eyelash primer and mascara. This is the first and only natural mascara that I've ever used that I absolutely love. And then finally, we've got some vitamin D3 in here, Fortify probiotics. We need those right now. Multivitamin, NutriView for my eyesight, and vitamin B complex, Estradiol for hormones for women my age, Activate C. This has zinc, echinacea, vitamin C, astragalus, and aronia extract. So this is a great protectant. Thanks for watching.